I'm Nikki here at Sacksteders Interiors, and we are now offering succulent packages. Right here I have two that we had pre-selected all of the components that go in these packages. So what you will be purchasing and getting is all of the succulents that you can use in your own container at home. You may have something that you've inherited or something your dad made you and you're looking to something to fill it. We have it. This one here has the different pods, the different greens, and it's kind of got a little mint look with the green accent. I love this, just a nice natural look. In this succulent arrangement here, I've chosen multiple different variegations of different colors, and it's just a nice group of components that I actually love. So if you are a DIYer or you want to try something new on your own, I've kind of taken the guesswork out of it and put these packages together for you. So if you have a container and you want to purchase one of these, visit us at sackstedersinteriors.com or come visit us in the store.